What up, gang? POV. It's fucking Saturday. You've had chicken and rice all week. You feeling something fucking diabolical? Well, I got you. We got pizza and we got burgers. Best fucking combo in the world. So the pizza, super easy. All you need. Protein wraps. Get these from Aldi. You can also get the carb balance tortillas. You can even use fucking regular if you want. It don't even matter. Protein wraps. Turkey pepperoni. Some chicken tendies. Some fat-free mozzarella. Regular ass fucking pizza sauce. And some seasonings. So I already got the chicken cut up. Just because I wasn't fucking with it. But that's it for the pizza. Burger, super easy. Lean ground burger. Reduced fat cheddar. Brioche buns. I'm one of those motherfuckers that I really don't care what bun I'm using. These are only 160 calories. Don't really matter to me. You can get the 70 calorie ones for all I care. They all taste the same to me. These taste a little better honestly, so I'm gonna use those. And turkey bacon. Literally all you need. So I eat beef and rice, chicken and rice, literally all week at work. On Saturdays I'm always craving something fucking diabolical. So I always like to play around. Today's chicken and pizza. This is literally so easy, so simple, so damn cheap. I just went and got all these groceries for like 30 something bucks, and this is for the whole week. I can make this shit every damn night if I'm craving it. So with the chicken, all you're gonna do, you're gonna dice it up. You need like 2-3 chicken tendies, whatever seasoning you want. So I'm gonna go red pepper, garlic salt, Cajun. If you got Creole seasoning, use that shit. That shit's off the charts. And just some paprika. So that's it with that. Mix that all around. Get that good to go. So what you're gonna do with that is you're gonna throw it in the air fryer at 400 for 12 minutes. Flip halfway through. If you're not with the times in 2021 and you don't have an air fryer, stove tops works just as easy. So I'm gonna throw these in real quick. Super easy. So when we're prepping the pizza, it's gonna be super easy. Take one tortilla. Go ahead and do this shit. You're gonna take one tortilla. You're gonna throw it on the medium to high heat, however you're feeling it. Throw that thing down there. We're gonna get everything else prepped. Open the mozzarella up. Open the pizza up, pizza sauce up. Open these peps up. So the wraps, or whatever the fuck you got, tortillas, just throw them on for a couple minutes on the pan. Just get it a little crispy, nothing too crazy. Alright, so we got the tortilla crisped up. All you're gonna do is set your oven to as high as possible. I set it to like 450. Really the only thing we're setting the oven for is we're just gonna throw this in for a couple minutes, pretty much just to melt the cheese, get the sauce steamy. So a serving of this is 60 calories, which is a half a cup. I'm not even gonna use a half a cup. So basically no fucking calories in the sauce. Get that nice and lathered. Sheesh. Alright, got that done. Go ahead and throw some peps on this thing. I know the turkey pepperoni is only 70 calories for 16 slices. So throw them up however the hell you want. I don't even know if I'll use 16 honestly. Throw them things on. Got that nice and set. While we're doing that, go ahead and get the burger ready. Set that on medium heat. I already got my burger patty. I already laid it out. I use 90-10. I like a little fat in there. 90-10 is literally perfect. Don't go 80-20. Way too much fat in that shit. And then the 93.7 or 99.1, that's just ridiculous. You need a little fat in your shit, especially if you're working out 24/7. So we got that. That's gonna be on medium heat. We're gonna throw this on. It's probably gonna go about 5 to 6 minutes each side, and that's literally all you need. Throw that thing on there. Alright, so the chicken's almost done. Got like 2 minutes left on that. Burger's getting close to good. I'm gonna show you the key to a burger. This is super crucial right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your cheese. You're gonna get 2 ice cubes. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna take the cheese, you're gonna throw it on the burger. Now this is the key right here. I'm gonna use just a baking sheet, whatever you want. If you have a pan cover, I don't have a pan cover, but whatever, you can literally use anything as long as it covers it. So you got your pan covered, we got our ice cubes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take 2 ice cubes, one there, one there. Take the pan cover right over the burger. What that's gonna do is it's gonna set the steam. It's gonna melt that cheese in like literally 30 seconds. Quick and easy. Got our oven is ready, set to go. Already got the turkey bacon down in the pan too. Sheesh. Melting good. With the pizza, I'm gonna use parsley. You can use Italian or parsley, really whatever you want. Just throw a little parsley and a little crushed red pepper, just to make it a little more presentable. But the chicken is done. So we got the chicken. We're gonna put the chicken on the pizza. Scatter that out nice and tight. Chicken. Break it up a little bit more. Set that everywhere. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cheese. Like I said, fat-free mozzarella, reduced fat mozzarella, honestly even regular mozzarella. Really don't matter. Get that nice and layered up. Take some red pepper flakes. Throw that on there. Take a little parsley. Throw that on there now or after. Don't even matter. Take our baking stone. Set it 450. Throw this in here. Burger. Oh my God. Just look at this. Sheesh. Melted perfection cheese. Like I said, it literally takes like 30 seconds. Our turkey bacon's pretty much done. Set that on the burger. Turkey bacon is nice and right. Take the turkey bacon, make that look super presentable. Give it a little X. Give it a little X on top of the burger. I always think that looks the best. Throw that on there. That. And I'll see y'all in about probably 2 minutes when that pizza and cheese, everything is nice and melted. All right, y'all, finished product. Sheesh. Threw a little buffalo on top, a little more red pepper. We got the burger, perfectly melted cheese, beautiful turkey bacon. Oh my God, look at this. Shoo. So literally all this right here is like right around 800 calories, an insane amount of protein. Yeah, eating healthy is super easy, especially meals like this, you know, when you've been eating the same shit over and over again and you want to switch it up, and you know, you want some fucking McDonald's, which I know because I have them damn cravings all the time. Literally, you can make anything healthy. It doesn't matter what it is. You can just make it healthy. Like I said, all this is around 800 calories, an insane amount of proteins in this. I'm going to be filled up for pretty much the rest of the day for this. But yeah, I just want to do a quick little cooking video. I make meals like this on the weekends all the time just because at work during the week, I'm pretty much eating ground turkey and rice or chicken and rice with rice cakes. So on the weekends, I like to switch it up. I don't like to go crazy. I'll have a cheat meal every here and there, but I like to stick. I'm a routine guy, so I like sticking to my routine. When I get thrown off of that, it kind of messes me up in the head a little bit. So yeah, We're gonna demolish this, watch some TV, and that's it. So thanks for tuning in, y'all, and see you on the next video.